KSPR weather.
Hey, pleasant good evening to you tonight as we take a look at the Storm Vision 3D Doppler radar, where things are calming down after we had some storms earlier during the course of this afternoon and this evening. Even actually had a little bit of hail. Storm report here coming out of Rolla, 3/4 inch size hail. That's around the size of a penny. That fell around 5:30 p.m. over there. And that's really the only report we had with these storms. Was a little bit of hail and some gusty winds at times and a lot of heavy rainfall. Well, let's take a look at the weather time lapse from today. As we take a look at that, we did see actually quite a bit in the way of sun and clouds throughout the course of this afternoon, but then some of those clouds began to move in late into the afternoon and evening, and we began to produce a couple of those showers and thunderstorms. Those obviously have all began to dwindle away. We take a look here in downtown Springfield. It's been a beautiful night here across the area. If you've been out and about, you're noticing those temperatures cooling off a bit. Here's the almanac for today, 81 for a high. Normal is 77. We've been above average lately. That is going to change over the next several days. Let's check in some of our weather watchers here today. 84 in Monette from Gary Cook, a low of 58 degrees. We'll head over towards Burnham. Randy Schaefer had a high of 82, so a lot of people checking in around 82. In Battlefield, Sandy Dante, a high of 80 and a low of 61 degrees. And also we've got Dale Christian up in Avery, a high of 84 today. Well, we're going to take a look at where we sit now. 61 in Joplin, 62 degrees in Springfield, still 70 down Mountain Home. You can see there's those storms on the satellite and radar over the past 12 hours. They kind of kicked out there from Houston up to Fort Wood and Rolla down to Salem. A couple of showers and thunderstorms. We're going pretty good for a period of time there, but things have calmed down as that front pushes down to the south. Let's go ahead and take some of these temperatures and throw these on there for you. 55 in Kansas City, 62 in Springfield. And you can see that cooler air to the north, 50 in Hastings, while it's still into the 70s down across Oklahoma and Arkansas, all because of this front pushing through, that colder air ushering in right behind our frontal boundary. We take a look at the current conditions right now, 62, 86% humidity, and look at that wind now out of the north at 8 miles an hour. Pressure steady at 30.10. That colder air is moving in. This blue is indicating that colder air coming in from the north over the next few days, so expect cooler temperatures here for us all across the Ozarks and even all across the Midwest and the plains here as we see that kind of settle into the area. So we're talking about 49 in the morning, 55 by 9 o'clock, 62 by noontime. We'll switch those over to tomorrow afternoon. We're talking about only topping out near 70 for a high as opposed to 80. That's what we've been used to here lately. So there's the front pushing through, the cooler air moving in behind it. We're going to see a lot of sunshine. That's the good news. We've got nice calm weather for us here because watch the future cast. We head throughout tonight, things calming down. Clouds, you can't even find any across the area through tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. No problems there at all. Expect a lot of sunshine and a pretty good-looking 7-day forecast. 49 tonight, those evening storms coming to an end and turning cooler. 70 tomorrow, mostly sunny. That north wind, you're going to feel it for the day tomorrow. A chilly north wind, and especially when you wake up in the morning. Look at these morning lows. We're talking about mid-40s making a return, and high temperatures only in the low and mid-70s. So, hey, it's fall-like weather here as we head into October, my favorite month. And that's also the reason, well, the reason why is because that's my birthday.
Oh, mine's too.
What's your birthday?
It's a big month.
It's the 9th.
All right.
Shows is this week, yours
Couple
is
Libras.
next.
Yep, that's right.
I have a lot of kids.
40-degree temperatures hopefully staying around. We're not going to do this back and forth.
I hope not.
Right.
We're kind of settling down here, I think, over the next several weeks.
Very good. Thanks, Kevin.
I can't believe you're both the same zodiac sign. That makes me
We're
laugh.
trouble.
No. And Ozarks